My name is Piyush Lamle with my teammates Laksh Baria and Yash Solanki. Our team name is Bolt Engines and our project name is Smart Railway Accident Prevention and RFID based station entry.
Railways are one of the busiest and widely used transportation system in our country. We have noticed many railway accident cases which causes a serious safety issue. We have noticed a gap between platform and train in which many passengers, especially children, elderly people and those carrying heavy luggage may get stuck into it.
And we often see unauthorized entry, ticketless travel and overcrowding on the railway station. For example, Delhi station case that occurred during the Mahakumbh time.
There is a gap of 7 to 25 inch between the train and platform. It looks smaller but it is enough to cause a serious accident. We have used mechanical barrier to fill up the gap.
There is a ultrasonic sensor placed at the platform. It detects the arrival of the train and it sends signal to Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno activates servo motor which extends a mechanical barrier. So the gap is filled up and no people can get stuck into it.
In many stations, people enter the platform without tickets, which causes overcrowding, pushing and safety issues. Our project provides safety to the people. It uses RFID cards which acts as digital tickets. Every passenger gets a RFID card with their tickets. At the entrance, we have an RFID based station entry connected to Arduino Uno.
If the card is authorized, it allows the authorized person to enter. If the card is not authorized, it does not allow the person to enter. It reduces chaos making at the station.
We have used electronic materials like Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, RFID card users, RFID card readers, hardware materials like plywood and cardboard, etc.
Benefits of our project. The mechanical barrier reduces people from getting stuck into the gap, causing boarding more safer and faster. The RFID system reduces overcrowding and chaos making at the station. It also reduces ticketless travels. This is fully automatic, so it is easy to maintain and less chances of misfunctioning. It is easy and budget friendly to install.
The completion of our project combining automation sensors and RFID technology greatly improves safety in India. Our mode provides practical and effective solution to reduce railway accidents and get a smoother passengers experience.
I have done coding. My friend have done circuit work and he has done art and craft.
Thank you.
Thank you.